Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on switching between different JDK versions. There are situations where you may need to work with multiple versions of Java. So you may need to switch to specific versions according to your requirements. So in this video, we will show you how to easily switch between JDK versions to meet your needs. In our system, we have downloaded two versions of Java JDK. To check this, just go to File Explorer. Click on this. Click on Program Files. Under Java, we have two versions of Java JDK. One is JDK 21 version, another one is JDK 23 versions. So, to check which version is active in our system, go to Command Prompt. Type this command to check. So this is showing Java 23 version is switched. Now, what if you want to switch to lower versions like 21 for some specific needs? So we will see that. In File Explorer, just click on the version JDK which you want to switch to now. Go to bin folder, just copy this path. Now go to edit environment variables. Click on environment variables. In this below part, just double click on path. Now just check where that path is present. We have the path here, so just click on that and click on delete. Now click on new and just paste the things which you have copied. Click on OK. Now again open new command prompt and check for version. Now it should show as a version 21, but it will not show. It is still showing Java 23. So to make this work, you have to do one more thing. Again go to edit environment variables. Click on environment variables. Double click on path. Click on the Java path and click on move. Keep moving up until it's on top. So now it's on the top. So click OK. Now open a new command prompt and check for version again. Now it already switched to Java 21 version. So this is all you have to do. If you want to switch to lower version, just click on move up just after you paste the path until it's on the top. Or if you want to switch to higher version, just paste the path and you will get it work.